How to make multiple accounts on browsers. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can make multiple accounts on browsers. Yes, if you're a fan of browsers and you'd want to have multiple accounts, then this tutorial is for you. The first step is to create a Supercell ID, and when you create a Supercell ID, it will allow you to have multiple accounts. So how do you create a Supercell ID? First of all, open browsers on your device, just like I have done here. Move to the top right corner and click on the three horizontal dots that you can see there. And after clicking on it, you can see some options such as settings, battle log, leaderboards, Braw TV, inbox, friendly battle, map maker, and then Supercell ID. Just go ahead and click on Supercell ID. Then you wait for it to load. And then once it has loaded, you can see you brought to the page where you would see details about Supercell ID, what it means, what it entails, and all of that. You can decide to skip it or you can decide to read it in any one. And then you can see another page which says already registered, login, new to Supercell ID, register now. So the next thing to do is to register now if you don't have a Supercell ID. But if you have a Supercell ID already, just go ahead and click on login. So after clicking on login, you will be brought to another page. So you can just click on continue. After clicking on continue, you'll be asked to verify yourself, confirm, and then from there you'll be able to use your Supercell identification to log in into two or more accounts. But if you do not have a Supercell ID, just go ahead and click on register now, and then you can see the question create new. Make sure to click on continue, and then here the next stage is to go ahead and enter in your email, that is the email that you would like to use to register. So after clicking on the box, just go ahead and type out your email straight ahead. All right, then once you've done that, you can, if you want to receive news from Supercell, if not, click on register straight ahead, and then the verification code will be sent to your email. And sure you check it out and then paste in the code. So the code for me is 511638, and then click on submit, and then you wait for the page to load. And then once that's loaded, you can see your game account is now connected to Super ID. Return to Super ID anytime. So click OK. And then once you're done, you will be brought to this page, so you can decide to type out your Super ID names. Click on continue. After that, choose your avatar. Just select any of this, click on continue, and then you can now decide to add your friends to Super ID. Now at this stage, now for you to be able to create multiple accounts using your Super ID, you will then return to your phone settings to do this. That is your game settings to do this. But before then, on this Super ID's page, by the time you click on my games, by the left side of the screen, you would see that your account, your Super ID, has been connected directly to your browser account. So if you want to connect other games to your Super ID, you can also click on any of the games where you have accounts on, all right, and then connect them with your Super ID, such that whenever you want to play these games, you can do so by switching your account within your Super ID and within browsers. And then at the left side of the screen as well, where your avatar is being displayed, you can see two icons, the inbox icon as well as the gear icon. Just go ahead and click on the gear icon. So after clicking on the gear icon, you'll be brought to the settings page. On this page, you can see details about your account, and then you can see switch account. All right, so that is it. Just go ahead and click on switch the account, and then after clicking on switch account, you can see the account that you're on currently, which is your current browser account. Then to switch to another account, just click on log in to Super ID, click on continue, enter in your Super ID for your email for your login code. Then a verification link will be sent to you as well. Ensure you enter it in, and then from there you'll be able to log in into another account. So you can do this and connect multiple accounts to your browsers using Super ID. But this is how to go about it. Ensure you try it out as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and have a good day.